Welcome to today's home tour. Today we are touring this 1,581 square foot home. It is configured as 2 bedrooms and an office. You could have 3 bedrooms if you'd like. And we are in Prescott, Arizona. And this is a great starter home, second home, just when you want a little something, but not too huge, not too high maintenance. This is brand new and you are going to love the price point. So at the front of the house, we have 1 bedroom. Located right next to it is a full bathroom. Tub shower combo and all. Really nice granite countertops. And a good size linen closet right there. And then when we come in, I'm gonna go to the back now. We have an office to the right. We have the garage entrance along with a coffee pantry, drop zone on the left. But before we check out all those little details, the heart of the home, the living room, dining room, kitchen, really nice configuration here. Primary suite is off to the right. Kitchen with 3 good sized bar stools. You have a really nice pantry. This home packs a lot into a not too big footprint at under 1,600 square foot. It's not a huge house, but it has everything. You have a nice island, stainless steel kitchen sink, dishwasher right there, gas stove. Yes, I love my gas appliances. Gas stove right there. Really like the floors in this. This is a nice wide plank. It's a vinyl floor. Dining room with windows on 2 sides gives you a ton of natural light. And a good sized living room. Now that couch, I'll say, is on the smaller side. It's not huge, but the way they have it configured with another sitting area behind it is different. You could make this a really big living room when you combine the space into one. I had actually envisioned it with a couch here, TV on that wall, and then big club chairs on either side. I think that could look really cool. Some people might think it's a little close to the wall, but I would think it would be great. Dining table is set for 6. Plenty of room. You could put like a buffet or a server on the other side or something narrow here. I'd say probably not more than a foot deep on this wall. Primary suite. I love the way the window sits a little higher. Gives you room if you did want to put a dresser there. Of course, they've got this dresser on the other wall here. Very nice. Huge, huge bed. This bed is like waist high on me. I don't know that I can get up there. So here is your bathroom. Like I said, a little bit of everything, but not huge. We have a double sink. We have a nice size shower. We have your toilet in a separate room. We have a walk-in closet. You have shelving on that side. Rack here, that could be a his, this could be a hers, with more racks over here. Or you could just take the whole thing, you know, whatever you love. All right, let's come back out of the primary and let's check out this backyard. Here in the corner, covered patio. Did a nice job with the pavers. Gave you a little green space. Oh, I love the waterfall. It was a good sized yard. They're gonna build, of course, another house. Not this little stone thing, but right up above that will probably be another property. You are close to Embry-Riddle and the Prescott Airport. I can hear one. Where is it? Oh no, it's a car. Anyway, you are gonna get some aircraft noise. But if you noticed how loud that was outside versus as soon as we go inside and shut the door, it's gone. So not to worry in the house. Okay, let's go down and check out the office and other storage areas. This office is huge. It could be configured as a third bedroom. And as a bedroom, I think it's probably would be the largest. I don't know where they would put the closet in. We'll look at the floor plan later if you're interested. But I like the double doors. I like the 2 windows. Really nice. Oh, and they have over here, look at, these are all the different finishes that you could have. So if you do choose one and you start from the lot, you can pick your finishes. Let's see, this closet here is your coat closet. The garage is to the left, and that's also the sales office. What I love is that they have a nice drop zone right here inside the garage. And then this is kind of an unexpected bonus for a 1,600 square foot house. You have a secondary kind of pantry, coffee station. Kind of nice. You could probably fit a small wine fridge in there. Maybe not with the drawer, but it'll give you some additional storage. So that's really cool. And then a great size laundry room. So you have your washer and dryer hookups here. And like we said, 2-car garage. So you'd come in the garage, you could drop your stuff here. You can grab your cup of coffee or a glass of wine, go to work, hang out with your guests up there. Or, as I would probably do, come in and kick back on the couch. Alrighty, so everything you need in a small package. This particular model is 1,581 square foot, configured as 2 bedrooms with a den and 2 bathrooms, or you can have it configured as a 3-bedroom model. I personally love the office, but you know, it's what you need. There is a walk-in pantry, a kitchen island, and a 2-car garage. Now, this model starts at $465, but you're gonna be a little bit higher, of course, with your options. I'm gonna go talk to the builder representative in a bit and see if we can get a price on this configuration specifically. There are 4 models in this collection, and they range from 1,339 square foot up to 1,845 square foot. So this model is positioned nicely in the middle. So you're not buying the biggest home in the neighborhood or the smallest. This is going to be your typical footprint or typical sized home. So they also have some great incentives. Let's see, features. Here's our feature list. So it's a post-tension slab, which is fantastic. 9-foot ceilings throughout the home. They have open cell phone insulation in the ceiling, the exterior walls, low E dual pane vinyl windows. That's one of those things, like when you're looking at a new home, I have to say you often get so many features that you don't realize that if you were to remodel an older home that are going to cost you quite a bit. So you have to always remember that. There's a 5-foot fence surrounding the entire yard, 42-inch gate, 8-foot fiberglass glass front door with low E clear glass. If you notice that door when we first walked in, that was really pretty. It let the light in, which was great because you have kind of a walkway as you go past that first bedroom on the right and the garage on the left. That walkway is nice and lit up with that window. You can even probably get some plants in there because there's plenty of sunshine coming through. So standard granite countertops with 4-inch backsplash. So that's fantastic in the bathrooms, both the primary and the secondary bathroom. That is included, along with smart thermostat, smart deadbolt, stainless steel appliances. Now gas is an upgrade, but it is available. It comes with 30-inch birch recessed panel cabinets with staggered uppers and a soft close, granite countertops, undermount sink, garbage disposal. So all those things are included. So you're going to get that great builder warranty for the first and second year, depending on what the coverage levels is from this builder who is building a ton of homes here. This isn't somebody that's just building 3 or 4 and skipping out. It's somebody that has been building in the Prescott area for quite a long time. So anyway, I hope you find this helpful. Drop me a comment below. You can ask to know what the current builder incentives are. I can tell you pricing, I can tell you incentives, but when you're watching this video, it may be a week later, a month later, and all of it changes so frequently. The best thing to do is to work with me or your trusted realtor to get the most current information when you're ready to make a decision and move forward. So I would love to tour this home in person with you, or we could do a Zoom walkthrough. Just give me a shout. I am here to help. And I'm Odessa Kyleman with the Prescott Homeowner. Thanks.